What if I told you that your first $10,000 is actually the hardest money you will ever save? Not your first 100,000 dollar, not your first million, your first 10,000. Because before you save your first $10,000, you are earning how money really works. You are building habits, you are changing your mindset, and you are proving to yourself that financial success is possible. The good news: you don't need a six-figure salary, you don't need rich parents, and you don't need to win the lottery. In this video, I will show you exactly how ordinary Americans and Britons can save their first $10,000 step by step. Let's begin. Let's get started. Wow. Step one. Now know where your money is going. Know where your money is going. Most people have no idea where their money actually goes. Every month they know how much they earn, but they don't know how much they spend. Money quickly disappears. No on coffee, food delivery, streaming, subscriptions, online shopping, impulse purchases, etc. etc. For 1 month, uh, track every dollar you spend, every single one. This simple exercise often shocks people. Many discover they are spending hundreds of dollars on things they barely remember buying. You can't improve what you don't measure. The first step to saving money is knowing exactly where it's going. And step number two: create a simple budget. A budget is not about restricting your life, it's about controlling your money instead of letting your money control you. A simple method is the 50 30 20 rule. I make this topic video on my channel to mm, you guys see video on this my channel. 50% 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings. If you saving 20% feels impossible, uh, very impossible, but start with 5%, then gradually increase it. The goal is not perfection, the goal is consistency. Even small amounts add up over time. Step number 3: pay yourself first. Most people save whatever money is left over at the end of the month. The problem there is usually nothing left. Instead, do the opposite. Uh, first save first, spend later. The day your paycheck arrives, move money into saving immediately. Treat saving like a bill that must be paid every month. This one habit has helped countless people build wealth. And step number 4: uh, stop lifestyle inflation. This is where many people get stuck. They get a raise, then immediately upgrade their lifestyle: a bigger apartment, a newer car, more expensive vacations. Instead of becoming wealthier, they simply become more expensive. When your income increases, save part of the difference. This is one of the fastest way to reach your first $10,000. And step number 5, this is very important: create a $10,000 plan. Many people say I want to save $10,000, but they never create a plan. Let's break it down. Saving eight $834 per month, about 12 months. 417 dollars per month, about 24 months. 278 per month, about 36 months. Suddenly the goals feels much more realistic. Big goals become easier when broken into smaller targets. Step number 6: build better money habits. Saving money is not just about habit, it's about behavior. Successful savers develop habits like comparing prices, avoiding impulse purchases, planning ahead, tracking expenses, living below their means. These habits may seem small, but over years they create massive financial differences. Your habit determines your future, of course. And step number 7: stay consistent during the hard times. There will be setbacks and expected expenses, changes, job changes, medical bills, economic uncertainty. The people who succeed are not those who never face problems. They are the people who continue moving forward despite problems. Even if you can only save a little during difficult periods, keep the habit alive. Consistency matters more than perfection. Step number 8: understand why the first $10,000 matters. The first $10,000 is special not because of the amount itself but because of what it represents. It proves that you can control money, you can delay gratification, you can achieve long-term goals. Once you reach $10,000, the next financial goals often become easier. You have already built the skills needed for bigger success. The first $10,000 changes your confidence, and confidence changes your behavior. Yeah, and the truth is that saving your first $10,000 is not about luck, it's about discipline. It's about making small smart decisions over and over again. Most people underestimate that what they can achieve in a few years. If you stay consistent, your first $10,000 may arrive sooner than you think, and once you reach it, you will realize something important. The money was not the biggest reward, the habits you build along the way more way were. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below what's your biggest money saving challenge. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.